Hey sunshine! Welcome back to Dark Sunlight. I'm Katie, and today I have some cute and simple spreads to help you plan for your next vacation. These spreads are super straightforward, so I'm just going to leave you with some music and explain any details at the end. If you are enjoying this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up, click subscribe, and ring the bell to get notifications. It really helps me out. Before we get into the final flip through and explanations, I just want to take a second to recognize my beautiful Patreon team. I'm incredibly grateful for your support. If you'd like to get your hands on the printable version of these travel planning spreads, just head over to my Patreon and check out the Pothos tier. For just $4 a month, you get access to everything in the lower tier, as well as all the printables I make for my videos. You can print them out for a binder or cut them and paste them right into your own bullet journal. I'll leave a link in the description below so you can grab them if you're interested. So here's how the completed spreads turned out. This first spread is really straightforward. It's just a spot to list out everything you'll need to pack for your trip. I included 2 check boxes next to each item so that I can mark it as packed when I leave and mark it again when I pack to go home to make sure I'm not forgetting anything. These to-do lists on the left were inspired by It's Me, Andie, who I can link in the description. I just thought it was a brilliant way to keep all your tasks in order, so you're not stressed before you leave and you know exactly what to expect when you get back so you can hit the ground running. On the right, I just numbered the days I'd be away and put a circle next to each one so that when it's closer to the date I'm leaving, I can fill in the weather for each day, which might also help me decide what clothes to pack. I also left some lined space next to each day so that I can write down any important events, flight info, and even take notes on fun little highlights of the trip. And that is it for these bullet journal travel planning spreads. I hope this was inspiring and helpful, and as always, thank you so much for watching. Until next time.